We're going to be making a ham steak sub sandwich with onions, green peppers, and cheese. Okay, let's add our onions and our slightly warm peppers. Cover them up a minute. Alright, let's give them a check. Let's see if we can toast our bun. Oh yeah, perfect. Put our ham in there. Now let's add our cheese. Alright, let's melt that. I'm going to take our bun. I think I'm going to try to put it right over it, just like that. I need a bigger spatula. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have a little bite. I wish you could taste that, because that's delicious.